Better blocking, just better bounce to the step of Ateneo, who are looking to force a fifth set. We had one earlier this weekend with two protagonists. Yeah, classic, epic. I mean, do you really expect anything less between LaSalle and UST? And then now we're Ateneo looking to gear up for that. Pero malayo pa tayo dito. Halfway through the set. Back set to Kinlog. Again, better blocking. This time a single one.
That's right. And that was well read by Kaiklet. Single block of that Kinlog hit.
She is number 5 in terms of blocking skill in the top 10 in the tournament so far. Lumusot sa kamay ni Jem Ferrer.
Kanina pa nila ginagawa yun.
Oo.
Si Kinlog to Jem Ferrer on the other side. Ito rin si pinadadaan ni Kay Makatuno because that's basic volleyball. You can pass through the setter because usually the setters, kaya nga advantage pag malalaki yung setters. Just like
Esperanza.
Yes. Diba? Esperanza in LaSalle. So, yata yung pinakabalin ko aside from Melissa Going, diba?
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Zapanta, serving.
LaSalle, of course, 7-0. Oh, miscommunication.
Too far to reach for Kinlog.
Miscue on that Kaiklet Ferrer connection.
Or lack thereof.
Lady Falcons inching closer. Serving, Zapanta.
Zapanta serves.
Oh, and the ace.
I'm going to call a timeout for sure. So let's listen to Coach Roger. The lead was once at 6.
Huwag nyo, girls, kahit siyamang lamang natin, hindi kayo titigil. Kailangan ituloy-tuloy nyo yan. Hindi nyo malaman niya kung baka sa isang error ninyo, biglang bumulusok yung kalaban ninyo. Huwag nyo bigyan ng confidence yung kalaban ninyo. Rumisip tayo. Yan lang naman problema natin. Hindi tayo makareceive dito. Puro error yung pinuntos nila. Puro error natin.
There was a famous quote by Phil Jackson before when he said, a game can change in a trifle. Meaning, that's what Coach Roger Goreyev, 1 point. Yeah?
3 points for the Lady Falcons.
It could spark something on the other side, diba? And of course, Coach Roger, they need this set to stay on in this game.
Pineda. Oh,
Pineda.
making noise.
This is what he's talking about.
And the pressure is now on. Ateneo down 2.
15 to 17. Zapanta serving.
Ateneo talking here. Let's see what they do. Go to Phil. Phil is checked. Ball still alive. Ferrer sees a spot. But again, a great dive by Makatuno, who can double as a libero in this match.
That's right.
Pineda, kaliwang kamay na yung ginamit.
Oh, Ateneo wasn't able to take advantage.
Yes.
It's scramble defense.
Sila pa. Sila pa ang naisahan.
Ateneo, because of that, miscue on their side. Sayang, no? Hindi nila na-take advantage nung kulang si Pineda.
He's down on the floor.
Down on the floor.
His lead is just 1. 16 serving 17 in the 4th set. Kainglet says enough is enough.
Right. 18.
But she will serve now.
This is the connection that they want.
Here's a crucial part for Ateneo. They're up only by 2 at 18-16. Phil goes to the service line. That brings Valdez.
And Nakachi.
Oh, so
let's see if yung adjustment rin ng Adamson in reading for more often. Ferrer would surely give it to Eliza Valdez.
Who was attacking really well earlier in the set.
In this possession. So let's see.
Look at that leap.
Team captain,
What an athlete, this Sheila Pineda. Bebang, di ba? Yung tawag sa kanya. Taga dito yan, taga San Juan. Valdez with a check ball. So, still working so far. Lead is 2, 19-17. The lead was 16-10 earlier on.
Again, Eliza Valdez making it pass through Makatuno.
Hachi was all alone there. Point for Adamson. Pao Soriano is back. Oh, and we have a service specialist coming in. The former LaSalle College Antipolo player, Maria Teresa Pisa. Played earlier in the first set. Back now here.
Nice sure serve.
Ravasio.
Oh, Gervasio, that could have gone out.
Parang ngayon nga sasabihin ko sana eh. Pero you can't blame her for taking it too.
When in doubt,
Yep, yeah, you're right.
take it.
The Eagles up by 2.
Hindi na nga siya sinisi rin ni Coach Mami. Ganyan talaga.
Oh, mas disheartening kasi nababaksakan ka ng bola.
Tama.
Kesa dun sa nag-aagawan o yung at least you try to get to go for defense.
Valdez! Oh, no blocker in front of her, and that is a mortal sin.
Eliza Valdez on that.
And you see the trajectory when she gets it right?
Adamson score. 18. Adamson.
Mayet! Outside na! Ginanon mo pa, laki-laki na ng outside.
Paikot lang tayo, paikot.
Puntos na sana, hindi natin yun. Isa na lang.
Kapit na.
Kapit. Diskarte. Come on, nasa harapan ka.
Let's go.
21 serving 18. Eliza Valdez.
That was a good point by Coach Mami Dulce. That was a really important point. Kasi 19-20 sana, di ba? They're closing in.
Sure serve. And a free ball here. Wow, that Pao Soriano saving that play. Mosey with a power tip on a lob pass.
That deserves a second look.
Yep.
Right timing by Pao Soriano.
Free ball na dapat yun.
Naging attack point pa eh.
Correct. Phil able to dig that up. Gervasio. Kinlog handles it. All day. That has been the story for Adamson. Miscommunication on the combination play. Zapanta, full swing. Soriano on the second touch. Ferrer goes back to the rookie. And the rookie babies it.
Trying to go off speed. Something that she will have to learn along the way.
That's what we call a fluff hit.
Nagtatlong isip.
She's a rookie.
That's what we were talking about. In spite of all the hype, in spite of all the games she has shown in high school.
Oh, sakit naman nun para sa Adamson.
Crucial yung serve na yun. Service error at that.
Valdez will serve, which means on the rotation, Phil Cainglet is back in the front line for Ateneo.
And it's a full front line for Ateneo.
Correct.
Let's see how they will use this one. Pao Soriano.
3 Lady Eagles chasing that.
That's right, Pao Soriano just saying, kahit dalawa lang kami, takes that point. Just down by a point is Adamson.
When Mosey said a full front line, what she actually means, they have Cainglet, they have Gretchen Hall, they have Gervasio, all able to attack.
Yes. So you can just imagine the combination that you can do. At yun yung decision-making ni Jem Ferrer ngayon will be really important.
And we are tied at 22 all. Adamson Lady Falcons down 6 at 16-10 as we have a spade of twos on the scoreboard.
Bigla mo itinaas lang yung bola. Bigla si Pim, ginanon mo lang yung bola. Natataranta kayo, ba't kayo natataranta? Alam niyo doon lang papalo yun. Alam niyo na kung 10. Wala namang palo. Dalayan yun. I-cross court lang siya. Di ba pantay mo na? Court set na eh. Yung pa rin naman ang ginagawa niya. Walang pagkakaiba. Tapos nagkombinasyon kayo. Imbis na mataranta yung blacket, tayo nataranta doon sa kombinasyon niyo. Hindi bababa. Tuloy-tuloy niyo yung momentum niyo.
Very crucial timeout by Coach Roger. Let's look at that last play again.
Tied at 22. Here in set number 4.
Tama yun. It's really, you have the advantage. You can go for combination plays, pero half-baked eh. Parang hindi ka decidido dun sa
No,
combination play
commitment
mo
to
eh.
it.
Yes. Eh, sayang eh. You have, siguro, a lot of combination that you can do with these three spikers in front.
22 all. Oh! It is better to be lucky than good, they say. Especially at this juncture. Adamson down 6 at one point. They have taken over with the help of the tape of the net.
Lucky shot. 23.
Lazaro could not save it. 2 points away from wrapping it up.
You know, Adamson showing a lot of character in this game.
Oo. Medyo tensionado ang pakiramdam na Ateneo ngayon. Let's see how they handle.
Oh, and that's going to be a violation.
Double contact.
Double
touch,
violation. Although Coach Minerva reacting to that call. Not liking that call. Pero mukha namang double contact because yung sa spin ng bola, makikita mo naman eh.
And alam mo, if
and a
yun na, I was just
yellow
about
card
to
is
say,
thrown.
what is the yellow card for, Mosey? Kasi we see the reaction was a
Yes.
little more vociferous than usual.
It's actually a warning.
Mhm.
So, pag yan naging pula o isa pang yellow card,
That's
pwedeng ma-technical,
Okay.
pwedeng point goes to...
A penalty, yeah?
Yes.
23 all.
Awarded to
Zero
Ateneo. You don't want that
Oh, wag
happening.
naman. Dalawa na lang yung...
At this point,
Meron ba tayong timeout buzzer dito sa panel ngayon? Dahil parang gusto ko mag-timeout eh. 23 all. Boy, did we warn you about season 74? We did, right? About how things are going to turn out this season.
but even us, are kind of surprised how things are starting this year.
The last game of the first round. Back to Phil Cainglet. Vasquez recovering. Zapanta full swing. Valdez keeps it alive. Cainglet gets it over. One more chance. Gretchen, oh! The injured warrior from the blue side.
Connecting on a very, very crucial point.
Wow. What a rally. What a set. What a point. I think Adamson got surprised here that it's already 25-23 because yung yellow card, mukhang
There
punto
was
yung
a
binigay.
point.
I thought it was to set up set point, but no. It is 25-23. The confusion here on the Adamson side, they did not expect a point to be awarded to Ateneo. They were taken by surprise, but they have to recover now because we're gearing up for the fifth and final set.